Everyone has, at some point or another, come into contact with negative energy. Negative energy can affect us in ways we don't always realize, whether it's a bad day at work, a stressful situation at home, or even just being around someone with a bad attitude. Our health is harmed by negative energies because they can lead to stress, depression, anxiety, insomnia, and other problems. Consider using one or more techniques to eliminate negative energy from your body or home if you want to cultivate more positivity and good vibes in your life. Welcome to Aim High, where we help you overcome any negative thoughts and energy on a weekly basis. What are the indications of bad energy? After spending time at home, you might feel tired, exhausted, or depressed because of the negative energy that has accumulated here. Positively charged homes have a lively, relaxed, and fresh vibe. People who are around negative energy often feel overpowered, suffocated, and restless. People who live in positive vibrational homes feel good, happy, and relaxed while they are home. If your home is disorganized, messy, and chaotic, you are probably attracting chaotic energies to yourself. When you enter and leave your home, pay attention to how your emotions and energy change. Dramatic changes are a quick indication that there are negative energies in your house. How to change your home's energy? The first step is to purge your home of all things that trigger bad feelings, such as old pictures, books, clothes, furniture, and other things that could make you feel depressed or anxious. Next, purge the negative energy from your home using one of the techniques we will go over in just a second. Finally, think about what you can change or add to your home to bring in more positive energy. Rituals of purification can be carried out alone or in groups. Because they don't want to bother others, some people prefer to do it alone. Others find them to be more enjoyable and relaxing when they are done with friends or family. For your cleansing ritual, you can combine several of the following techniques. Declutter. One of the main causes of stress and stagnant energy in our homes is clutter. A cluttered space feels uninviting and uneasy. To encourage a bright and relaxed mood and to let light and warmth in, clear your home of all unnecessary stuff. If it's not obvious what should stay and what should go, take some time to think through your belongings. What things really stand out to you and get used? What items do you only occasionally use? Do you really require them? Can they be stored or replaced by something else? By temporarily storing items or moving them around your home, you can test how your belongings affect the energy there. Good smell. A great way to get rid of bad energy is by lighting up incense. Any negative energy and toxic energy can be released by burning a stick or cone, leaving your space feeling refreshed. The most popular aromas for attracting good energy are cinnamon, rosemary, and Palo Santo. Play a gong. Ringing a bell or gong in your room is a quick and simple way to remove negative energy. Any negative energy will be released by the sound as it vibrates throughout your entire home. The use of Tibetan singing bowls is particularly beneficial for banishing negative energy and bringing in constructive forces. Fresh air. By allowing your home to fully breathe, you can remove bad energy from it the simplest way possible. Crack open closet doors or drawers to release stifled energy. Turn on fans to move the air, and open the windows to let in fresh air. You might want to leave the house during this procedure and come back to burn some sage or incense. Does your body contain any negative energy? Internal factors like stress, anxiety, fear, rage, guilt, resentment, jealousy, and hatred can manifest as negative energy. Your energy may be blocked if you are having negative emotions or if you feel worn out, sluggish, anxious, depressed, or otherwise out of sorts. To remove the obstructions and begin feeling better once more, try some of the following suggestions. How to purify the energy in your body. One of the most crucial things you can do to enhance your health and well-being is to clear negative energy from your body, mind, and aura. There are several simple ways to remove negative energies from your body and aura, which can help you regain balance, get rid of extra toxins, and get rid of bad emotions. Take a bath. To relieve tension, stress, and negativity, take a warm bath. Muscles will relax and pain will be reduced by heat. You'll feel physically clean and renewed after being in the water. Try putting Epsom salts or essential oils in the water if you're feeling particularly stressed out and overwhelmed. A moment in nature. Being in nature gives us a sense of stability and calm, which makes it simpler to unwind and let go of stress. If you live close to a park or forest, go for a walk there every day to absorb the uplifting energies of the environment. As an alternative, locate a spot where you can sit outside and take in the view in your yard. Meditation. We can access our inner knowledge and intuition by meditating. Additionally, it can assist us in letting go of tension and stress, which elevates our mood and perspective. By engaging in a regular practice, we can distance ourselves from the stress and negativity in the outside world. Meditation teaches you to quiet your mind and prepare your heart for fresh possibilities and insights. Mantra meditation is a potent tool to help clear energetic blocks in the chakras and revitalize and clean up energy. Smile more. Your body absorbs endorphins when you smile, which uplifts your mood and banishes pessimistic ideas and emotions. A quick and simple way to lift our spirits and relieve stress is to smile. Looking in the mirror and repeating encouraging words to yourself is a quick and simple exercise. It's crucial to give yourself some time to think after each session. Many advise people to simultaneously purify and clean their homes and bodies. If you've never cleansed before, begin slowly, try different things, and gradually increase your routine. Keep a record of your feelings both before and after each session. Consider posing inquiries to yourself like, how do I feel after the cleansing? Or what part of the purification process did I enjoy the most? This will allow you to determine whether there are any aspects of the process that you favor when clearing unwanted energy from your body and home. Let us know how you purify your home and body in the comments section below. And let us know if this video provided you with the knowledge you needed. Consider liking and subscribing for more videos just like this one, and we will see you in the next video.